If you were happy and you know it, B34's one cutting for kids, cartoon Wonder Blocks.
Hooray! That makes me happy.
When I'm happy, I clap my hands.
When I'm happy.
Sorry, but this isn't Kayla Gets Grounded. I also made it black with super duper glue so it will never ever come off.
This is not Black Friday Woody Gets Grounded episode. Much better.
No way!
It's like, yeah! And he's dying! Zoinks! 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 Zoinks!